There's not a fire. I'm 95% sure. I think it's this one.
Setting off that booty alarm, booty alarm, booty alarm, booty.
Stop. Stop. I want to confirm we are outside, fresh air. New batteries, maybe? We'll see. Okay. Yeah, that whole time I'm thinking, like, which one of my DIY projects just shorted out and is going to burn the house down? And this one's not carbon monoxide, so I don't think that's an issue. There's a gas leak in here. Could you imagine the kind of wild, weird videos I'd be making?
Something.
Yes, wait. Whose baby is that?
Get up. God, we are never having sex again. What are you doing? What?
That could have been, like, truly awful and had happened at, like, 3 a.m. and woken my kids up. That's the worst case scenario when all your fire alarms go off, right?